Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by confirming prerequisites: Steam Wallpaper Engine on your PC and the Wallpaper Engine Companion app on your phone. Once installed, make sure both devices share the same Wi-Fi network. That avoids NAT issues and keeps latency low. Next, open Wallpaper Engine on PC and enable the Remote Wallpaper feature in Settings. This exposes the PC to your phone. Do this now so your phone can discover the PC. It's the essential first handshake that makes streaming possible. Once done, launch the companion app on your phone and tap Discover. You'll either scan the QR code visible in the PC app or type the connection code manually. If automatic discovery fails, enter the PC's local IP and port shown in Wallpaper Engine. This bypasses multicast issues. Then, make sure your PC firewall allows Wallpaper Engine through for private networks. Otherwise, the app can see the PC but not stream. These steps handle most network or permission roadblocks. To finish, pick a wallpaper on your PC and use the stream or remote option, then select your phone when it appears. You'll see a live preview almost instantly. Make sure to adjust stream quality and bandwidth in the phone app if you notice lag or high battery drain. Lower settings reduce CPU and network load. If things go wrong, restart both apps, confirm the PC IP, temporarily disable VPNs, and recheck firewall rules. One restart often clears stale network states and completes the link.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.